The agenda for session 2 for today is an introduction to gadgets, how you can use your gadgets to make your daily tasks a bit easier. There is an integrated problem recorder into Windows. We'll be explaining that. We'll be explaining the Action Center and what you can do with it. We'll show you some tips to make your computer reliable. So, starting with the introduction to gadgets. So, with the gadgets that are included in Windows 7, you can keep an eye on the weather, news, or traffic, or your system performance, even your daily tasks. You can run an endless slideshow of your favorite photos, all with these simple desktop programs. The gadgets put information and fun like news, pictures, games, and phases of the moon right on your desktop. Gadgets were included in Windows Vista, but they were lined up on the right side of your desktop. Windows 7 sets them free on the screen, where you can move and resize them as you like. You can drag a gadget close to the edge of the desktop or another gadget and watch it snap neatly into place for a streamlined look. You can open windows, getting in the way of the gadgets. So what these gadgets do is basically make your life a bit simpler. There is a clock gadget, a weather gadget, or your picture gadget, or even a calendar gadget. You can have them on your desktop. There are a lot of gadgets that are available on the Windows Personalization Gallery, as I told in session 1. You can download many gadgets from there that are including the online service gadgets, Outlook upcoming appointments, traffic by the Bing Maps, even for your Twitter. So you can have a piano, a speed test, a CPU meter, a search window, a unit converter. That is a much needed application these days, or even a language translator. What these gadgets are small programs that interact with your system on a regular basis and help keep your jobs neatly organized. I'll be explaining a bit about sticky notes. Sticky notes is also a kind of a gadget, and it is included into Windows 7. What it does is that you have a notepad or some sticky note kind of a thing, so that you often use to note down all the things that you want to do, like a to-do list. So sticky notes is using this particular gadget. You can just type out what you want. It stays on your desktop. You don't need to save it. It stays saved automatically. And when you are done with a particular task, you can press Ctrl T to cross that task. It's just like using your own notepad. So these kind of things are included in the gadget scenario that helps you do everyday tasks. So a bit about the problem recorder. So very often or many times while you are computing, you run into problems that you don't have an idea how to show the others or your regular computer guy. So when you call in a person to help you, or you ask someone that, okay, I'm facing a problem and I don't know how it happened, it is now occurring now. So Windows 7 has a problem recorder that is built into the installation so that you can just use it to record the steps that reproduce your problem. So just go to your start menu and start writing problem space steps. At the top, as shown in the screenshot, you will notice things saying record steps to reproduce a problem. Just click on that. Problem steps recorder window, as shown at the right hand side of the screen, will open up, and you can just press the start record icon, and after that you can reproduce the problem that you are facing. It records the problem as a video and gives you an output file. You can send it to a person, or you can show it to a person when someone comes to repair your computer. and you can analyze these. You can go to any forums or post a link there so that a particular person can see what is going on in your system. Even you can have that analyzed by yourself for a later time. So this was a small tip to reproduce a problem that you face on a regular basis, or sometimes when you don't know what's going on with your system. You can just record these steps, and it will help resolve any problem that you might have. Okay, Action Center is a very vital tool that is available in Windows 7. You can see a small white flag as shown on the left hand side of the screen. It is the icon for the Action Center. You can just click on that and the window on the right hand side will open. The Action Center can also be found in the control panel in System and Security. So, Action Center is a system notification that keeps your PC running smoothly from a single location. Peeved by pop-ups with Windows XP or some other version of Windows, you can now get alerts in your Action Center right there on your Windows 7 desktop. Action Center gives you one place to go to address system notifications and tasks, and to keep your PC running smoothly. If Windows wants your attention, the Action Center icon appears in the taskbar. Click it and you'll see alerts and suggested fixes for any problems. So let's say that you run into a problem, or basically you want to see what exactly is going on with your system, your security or your maintenance. You just have to open Action Center as shown in the screenshot. Going on security, it will show you if an antivirus program is present or anti-malware program is present or not, if your Windows is updating correctly or not, if a particular driver needs an update, or if a particular stored program is having a compatibility issue or is not working correctly with Windows. What the Action Center does is it sends that particular report of that particular program to the Windows server, and a solution to that problem is returned to your system at your doorstep in the single program that is known as the Action Center. The Action Center, what it exactly does is that it records all the problems that your system has. That might be a faulty hardware, a faulty software, or anything that is creating a problem for your system. And it gets a report and it sends it to Microsoft. Right after that, you get a solution. As you can see in the screenshot, a view solution tab is attached. So what you can do is that particular problem with your mouse, as it is shown in this window, you can click on the view solution and it will tell you about a possible solution to your problem. So even if you want to update a particular hardware that is creating a problem for you, or your system is shutting down unexpectedly, Action Center will prepare a report and will tell you the solution, that if you need a driver or your hardware is faulty or something that you might to do with the system, or you have an antivirus program installed or not. Action Center provides you with complete notification of your system at one place.